So I'm here today with everybody's favorite piece of shit. I'm sorry, I'm not wearing my Infiniti Motorsports merch because the fucking heater won't turn on. I don't know why. I don't know why the heater won't turn on. But anyways, we're doing knock sensors, valve cover gasket, plenum spacer, and I have a new crappily ported lower intake. So we're making some more horsepower. Let's get it rolling, because my hands are still cold, even though I'm inside and this place is insulated. Let's start by taking off all this shit. 10mm bolts. I'm gonna start with the intake first. Let's go. Step one. Now, normal people would probably move this out of the way, but I have forgotten my pliers. It's real dark in there. Got a lot of burning happening in there. But anyways, normal people would move that out of the way, but I forgot my pliers. And I'm not driving all the way home to find them right now because I don't got the time. But that's out of the way. Got some of the hoses out of the way. Now we gotta start getting through all this to get this lower off. And I can see why people hate doing this job, because those are all bolts that I've had to take out just so far. So let's keep rolling. Ooh. This is a pretty fresh gasket. Like someone's been in here recently. But it wasn't me. I've just made a wonderful rookie mistake. I don't know if we could see it. Oh, you can't see it. I have dropped one of the fuel rail bolts down into the intake, so I go get a magnet. Tragic.
Would work out perfect tonight today for a little while, but then TJ's birthday is on the 13th, so I was like, oh cool, I'm coming out, kick it at their house, spend Friday there doing stuff with him, you know, get to celebrate his birthday, and then we can do shit like the whole other rest of the time. Plus I'm sure TJ probably come over and fuck around with us, you know, that's for sure, so.
Yeah, we'll see what happens. Alright, I gotta go so I can get this bolt out and keep doing what I'm doing.
Fair. Well, I wish I was out there, bro.
Yeah.
It looks awesome.
You saying hi to the GoPro?
Hey, what up, GoPro? Hey, shout out to Reasonable Sustainable Goals. Shout out to the first shop. Shout out to the first video in the first shop. And shout out to us, bro. Fucking, we doing this shit.
Stupid. Yeah. the back because of that nut. We're after now we're supposed to have 2 knock sensors. So, oh, I really thought we had 2, but that looks like just 1. Let's grab it out the box. We're back at it again, in the shop, back to where we were. I don't remember where all these bolts go. That's gonna be fun. We'll figure it out. I got the kiddos with me. The camera died last time, so yeah. Alright, so we got her bolted back up good enough. Not a good view, but that's what we got. Fixed it up, plugged it back in, bolted it back up. Now we're gonna go, I got new gaskets to put in there, put the lower back in, put my upper back in. God, this one was dirty. Dirty. That's not helping anything. It almost feels like there's a feeling issue going on there. But we've got the new one. The nice and shiny ported and polished one that I cleaned up. Well, ported, not polished. We ported it, but should do better. So, let's get to that. So for whatever reason, the new gasket I got doesn't fucking work. And by gasket, I mean this lower to mid plenum gasket. It doesn't fit, it doesn't line up. So unfortunately, I'm gonna use the old one. Hopefully, all the rest of it works. I mean, the lowers to the block worked fine. I don't know why it won't line up, but yeah, so I guess I'm using the old one. It looks nice enough. So we got the lower on, the mid on, we got the plenum spacer on. Decided now to get the top back on, start bolting her back up, and make sure we didn't miss anything. Hopefully. It's all back together now, I think. I only got a few extra bolts. It looks like a lot more than it is. The kit makes you reuse or use extra bolts. Keep a few. You're supposed to use you're supposed to have 7 extra. I got like 9 extra. We determined they're not important. I was gonna start it up. I forgot the fucking key. So I guess I'm gonna go get the key. Alright, we're back. It's all together. We have the key now. Let's see if she's got enough battery to start. Yeah, so I gotta solve that issue. That's unfortunate. Alright. Well, how do I want to do that? I'll figure that out in a minute here. Alright, so for now that problem is being solved by I put a bolt and a washer in it, because the lower that I put in polished has a damn broken off bolt in there, so we're gonna have to revisit that. She seems to be doing all right. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's a problem, but that's nice. So yeah, other than I definitely need to handle a vacuum leak on that thing. This bolt hole has the lower that I ported. This guy here, there's a bolt snapped off of it. I didn't think anything of it, but I guess I need to think something of it now, because that for sure makes it run like shit. Like 100%. So that needs to be addressed. I don't know, maybe I'll try and tacky weld in some shit there. Well, she's good. That battery's doing great. I don't recall that ever working. Maybe it did. I don't fucking know. We're just gonna let it breathe. I'm gonna close up for a minute, charge up this battery, and then we're gonna call it the day. So yeah, plenum spacer. We did a plenum spacer. We did a knock sensor. We got a ported intake plenum that apparently I'm gonna basically have to redo again unless I can figure something out with that. So maybe we're gonna get some chicks for that, because I cannot weld aluminum. So somebody let me know. Alright. Peace out for today, y'all. I love y'all. We'll be doing more stuff soon. It's probably a shorter video, but I'm getting better. I promise. I'm getting better. We're gonna do more. I'm gonna get a camera part soon.